Well, we've made it to the end of another school year, and I'm just going to pause and reflect for a moment on one of the core values at Kingsley, which is appreciation. We teach the students how to appreciate, and all of our day students and our boarders, they really do appreciate the many opportunities that they have here at Kingsley. And more than anything, this summer, I want the boarders and all of the day students to appreciate that opportunity to have a lot of fun. And that looks like a lot of fun. Have a great summer!